Hi, my name is Megan and I'm an onboarding specialist here at Moz. Today we are going to be looking at how we can research keywords based on the content suggestions that we provide for you in our page optimization tool within Moz Pro. Let's get started. Here within Moz Pro, scroll down the left-hand side navigational menu until you hit page optimization. Our page optimization tool is where you can assess those basic on-page elements, for example, descriptions and page titles, using a keyword and URL pairing from your website. Today we are going to be focusing on Discover. Within our Discover tab, you can see here that we've populated for you some keywords based on the keywords that you are tracking. To our left here, you have some pages. These are pages that are ranking for those keywords that we've put here. To kick off that page optimization report, click on your score. Scroll down until you hit Content Suggestions. Content suggestions are here to help you build better content in relation to your topic. On the left, we can see that we have a list of keywords for you here. These keywords are based on those keywords that are commonly found on pages that are ranking highly for the keyword that you've entered here. Relevance is determined by how often these keywords show up in those highly ranked search results. And if you click the drop-down under top ranking URLs, you can see those URLs that are ranking highly for the keyword that we've suggested here. Next to that, you can see their ranking position. This is a great way to start that content and competitor analysis. If you would like to continue with this process, use these seed terms and enter them into our keyword research tool to kick off that cycle again. I hope this was helpful for you in determining how you can research keywords based on the content suggestions we provide.